Hi there, I'm Kisha, a nurse practitioner here at Ample Health and Wellness, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to our 21-day Better Gut Health Challenge. As a nurse practitioner with over 24 years of experience, I've seen firsthand how powerful a healthy gut can be in transforming overall health and wellness. That's why I'm so passionate about helping others, especially women like me and you, navigate their health journeys with confidence and support. Over the next 21 days, we'll be diving into everything gut health, what it is, why it's important, and how we can nurture it through mindful eating, probiotics, and lifestyle changes. Each week, we will focus on different aspects of gut health, from removing inflammatory foods to incorporating nourishing, gut friendly options, all while learning practical tips that you can easily integrate into your daily routine. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, and I want you to know that you're not alone on this journey. Feel free to reach out with any questions or thoughts throughout the challenge. I'm here to support you. I can't wait to see the amazing progress you'll make. So let's get started. Here's to a healthier gut and a healthier you. Welcome to the challenge.